I'm Caleb.
I'm Chloe.
And we're from
The Cnckidz.
with the Z. So, like, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell if you never want to miss another Cnckidz video.
So let's get into what we're doing. Okay, guys. So I'm wondering, y'all want to know what we're doing. As you can see, we have glue, and if you don't know, we have activator. This activator, and we're making slime today.
Yeah!
So which one is better wins?
Guys,
Basically.
as you know, I don't really like slime. As I said in our very first video, I don't really like slime.
Oh yeah, but watch that.
Yeah, watch our very first video. Comment down below.
Caleb wants his to be blue. I'm just going to keep mine the way it is because it's going to turn into a pretty blue. All right.
Okay, guys. Now me and Chloe's going to pour. What the heck are you doing? Oh.
Okay.
Good thinking.
Okay. Ew.
So Chloe's just gonna pour the whole thing.
Yeah, and the rest if the rest you don't come out.
How do you open this?
You want me to do it because you don't have any nails, guys. He doesn't have any nails. It's a problem that he has.
Wow.
I'm the master. And the stuff that doesn't come out. Ew. And the stuff that doesn't come out at the end, we're just gonna put activator in there, and then it will make some more slime. And I'm just gonna put. We forgot about our spoon, guys. Hold up. I'm just gonna pour the activator. A little bit will get you a long way. That's a lot better. I really don't want to overactivate this. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna get me a Caleb spoon with this.
We're gonna try to cut it off like that. And put a little activator. And I'm not gonna put too much activator. Go like this. Technique. We got some activator right there. Booyah. Okay, guys. We're gonna use pencils just because.
Oh my god, it's activated already. See, I have been making lots of slimes in my days, and I have never made this kind of slime with this kind of glue. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. Okay, put a little bit. Okay, put it.
I already put some.
If you put a lot, it will overactivate. I know what this glue does.
Boom, shakalaka. Okay, let's do some more.
It's getting lighter than glue.
What's this turning out? Okay.
Because do not get mad and just pour the whole thing, alright?
Pull this up. Because I don't want no glue. I don't want no glue. Number 4, so let's go.
So just keep putting activator in.
Look at you. You already poured 3 taps of activator.
Actually 5.
Weirdo. So I don't like activator.
Okay, why? It's kind of close, guys. It kind of close, Caleb. Got to keep pouring. Just keep pouring.
That's a lot of activator. Not to make it ugly green.
Ew. I want mine to turn out into. OMG, this is
Okay, guys. Okay. Adding that, this turned to slime.
Wait,
And
we need some more activator, I think. I think we need some more activator. Oh, look, somebody used all the activator. Guys, mine is turning to slime because it's starting to attach to the pencil. Look at guys, look at Mine
that.
is starting to.
Oh my god, look at that, guys.
But that's what glue
My
does.
heart.
Ooh, see.
Great. And of course it has to be on my side. Who's gonna make a mess on yours? Of course not. It has to be on Caleb's. It has
It's
to be.
really turning out, guys. Oh, it's starting not to stick. Okay, guys.
And I would like some more activator. I'm supposed to do. What am I supposed to do with that? It's not supposed to grab my hand. I just have to grab my hand and
Oh, okay.
pressure right there. Pressure.
I really just do not like this glue.
Yeah.
I think this glue is a rip-off, guys. Comment down below if you think this glue is a rip-off.
Curse the editor.
Why don't you just say that, Caleb?
Just you make me just waste. All you do is just make me.
Some more activator, guys. This is not good.
What the frick, Caleb?
What?
I'm just moving this table.
Guys, I think we need a bigger bowl because. Ooh, okay. I think this glue just wants us to what's the name? Activate it. Over activate this. This is going to be a long video, guys. A long video, guys.
What, overactivated it or something? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you reactivated it. But just keep playing with it. Just keep mixing it.
Mine is slime. Mine's the first one that turns to slime.
Okay.
Look at that. It's poopy slime, but it's slime. Ew.
Why is it toss slime blue?
Look at it.
How? It's still beautiful. Okay, I'm going in with my hands, guys. I'm going in with my hands. Oh, it feels so weird. It feels so weird, you guys. Ooh, it's activating to the slime. Alright.
Okay, I can do this.
You see that, guys? It's very pretty. The color is, the texture isn't.
Not at all.
I hope you guys are not doing this with us because, well, I hope you guys are doing this with us, but just not with this glue because this glue is just a rip-off, guys. So guys, we're gonna try to fix this slime off camera and we'll see how does it turn out.
Okay, look at this. There's actually more glue in here if you want that.
Okay guys. So,
Okay,
ooh.
so my glue was overactivated.
So he got his Elmer's glue.
Yes, so I got my Elmer's glue.
I've been using my Elmer's glue, so yeah, I've been using my Elmer's glue on my slime.
Elmer's glue. Get out of here. Okay, I'm pretty sure this slime is gonna be pretty small.
Yeah,
So
but it's going to be big. Well, it's going to be like
good
slime.
though.
Yeah, it's going to be like slime.
Make sure it's all out.
Okay, I'll just put one dot of. Wait, I'm gonna pour the activator because.
No, you're not. No. Okay, my slime, my activator.
Alright, cool. But put one dot of activator, right?
That's enough. Okay. This much.
Told you, Kel. Told you. That much.
Told you.
Elmer's glue is the best, guys. Just knock
Guys,
off.
I have slime. Guess what, guys? I have slime already.
Yeah, that's what Elmer's is.
Never
you need
mind.
a little bit more.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Guys, this is what my slime looks like. Beautiful. I mean, it's not really like slime, but at least I got something. At least I got something.
Guys, look at my glue. It's pretty.
Well, you didn't put enough. You didn't put enough slime.
Okay, put it in. One, two.
Okay, guys, this is really pretty, but really not slime. It doesn't even make a bubble, guys. Look, it's super rippy. But let me touch it. Okay,
No.
that is really good. That's really good, Kel. What am I supposed to do now? Put more freaking activator in it.
Okay.
Wow. Okay, brother. That is just not alright because that is just. I don't know what that is, but I know it is totally not slime.
More activator, please.
Sure, what? Sure.
Here, please.
I can't believe this much glue isn't enough. And this much. Alright, okay, it's good. It's getting good. It's getting together. It's not supposed to be sticky. Put it back in the what's name. There's still activator in there. Not glue. The slime probably doesn't like you. Oh, let me touch it.
No.
Wow, it's not sticking to me. Slime loves me. Put a little bit more.
Okay, put it in.
I'll take that stuff. You want me to mix it?
No.
Alright.
See, guys, she always try to give me some glue. She always try to take my slime. Oh, y'all saw that eyebrow, right?
Guys, this is the first time he's making slime. So yeah, I'm the master at making slime. This doesn't even poke work. Okay, guys, so this is my slime. I made this, but yeah, I kept putting colors in it.
So guys,
But
y'all
this
remember that
one is
Elmer's
way
glue, right?
more.
So guys, y'all remember that Elmer's glue she was talking about? That's the slime with the Elmer's glue over there. A little green ugly one over there.
Yeah, it is ugly. At first it was like this, but then I kind of put some blue ones, some more blue, and it just,
Think about it, you're gonna keep it like this.
it's really not sticking to me, Kev. The slime probably doesn't like you. And I'm not gonna put it anymore because that might ruin the slime and overactivate it. Okay, guys, so,
I'm gonna put the glue in here.
oh guys, it's time for the main thing. I'm gonna
Full covering. Not full covering. Stand there for slime covering. I'm having a real difficult time with this slime. Slime, work with me here. Work with me. Please. Hey, work with me.
It works with me because I am the slime master, Kev.
Okay, good. Sorry, get off. Sorry, get
Kev, want me to hold it?
off. No,
Okay.
no. So I feel like you're gonna steal some. Okay, I'm gonna try to get all this off my hands.
But I have my own perfect slime.
Okay. I'm gonna try to
Kev,
get
do you want me to just put it in there?
I don't want you near.
Come on, put it.
I want you near my slime.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm
Okay,
gonna
guys.
try to get some blue
Look
food
at this
going.
beautiful thing.
Yes. Guys, almost got it off.
I'll take your hands when you're done. No, I'm serious, Kev. I'll take this one.
Okay, guys, look, I'm finally free. So, now I'm gonna get some blue food going.
Why are you acting like the slime is like puzzling? So guys, what I'm going. So guys, this is really bad slime. So guys, what I really want to do is I'm just gonna get a little bit of piece of this, a little bit piece of this,
I kind of want a darkish.
and mix it up.
Okay, guys, I kind of want a darkish blue.
This is not mixing at all. Real slime is, and slime is naturally good. It's naturally mixed.
Go look.
Oh, that looks very pretty, brother.
No touch.
Can you get some? You know it. Okay. Slime never sticks to me, though. Slime sticks to you a lot. Anyway, Cup, do you want some more slime?
I don't know.
Help. Oh no, you want me to help you, huh?
Yeah.
No. OMG, boy, you put way too much.
Way too much what?
What's the name?
Too much what? What's the name? I don't know what the name is.
You put way too much of that dye.
What happened to my hands?
You put way too much dye, brother.
So what did that mean?
You put way too much dye.
Is there any way to fix it?
Just put activator.
Okay.
Activator, the slime exists, everything.
That's a lie. And what happens if you use too much activator?
Overactivates.
Yeah. So, what can
I gotta take this off my hands.
Good.
I gotta fix it. Well, get out. What the freak, Cub? You did bad things to the slime, Cub. You did bad things. Okay, I'm gonna get some more activator for you, Cub.
What are you talking about? That's enough.
I don't know how much is enough. It's enough when I say it's enough. Okay, this is really good slime. This is really good slime.
That means put it back.
I gotta give it to you, Cal. This is really good slime.
I know, but Master Victor Slime is here.
Boy, you only made slime once. Guys, the next video we're gonna do is a quiz challenge. Yep, a quiz challenge.
Hey guys, so we're doing outro now to end our video. Like,
Subscribe.
and
Okay, guys, let me just tell y'all the truth.
and-
My slime was
trash.
good. Caleb's
Trash.
slime turns into trash. So, guys, that's just our opinion. He thinks mine is trash, but
Yeah.
we all know that it's good.
Look,
Anyways,
guys.
his is trash.
Look, she said mine was. She said the editor said mine was trash. No, mine was a fail. And then she took some of it and put it in hers.
Yep, sure did. I'm not even gonna lie.
Okay, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.